Nerf rival charger. This is the only motorized blaster which I have right now. Let's go through what things it have. This holds 12 to 13 rounds. In the box it comes with 24 rounds that you can shoot twice. This is the safety mode which you can on and off. This is the loading mechanism which you can put the ammo like this. And then you can shoot. This is the jam door. If any jam happens, you can remove it. So far I didn't get any jams with this gun. If you do, you can use this jam door. Then finally we have the rival tactical rail. This is the elite tactical rail, but it cannot fit because you need rival tactical rails. Let's go to the firing demo. Pew 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 pew. Do you like that joke? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go to the demo now.